Well, I got a gem of a campground that's just unpolished, but you need to really pay attention to this one. We are 2 miles south of Big Timber, central Montana, and we are at Spring Creek Campground and Trout Ranch along the state highway that leads towards the National Forest and Yellowstone. This one is actually under renovation. They are planning to be opening on or about June 1st. They're trying hard, but boy, we walked down there and talked to the owner, and they've got this place. They're totally redoing this whole place, and it looks really good from what I can see. The thing is, if you come here, you're going to have brand new accommodations and facilities. Now, there are going to be over 100 RV sites, and there are going to be at least 14 tent sites. All of them are going to have picnic tables and a fire ring. There's going to be a trout pond here. There's also free Wi-Fi here too. Now, because they're renovating, I can't give you any prices, but they are probably going to be somewhere between 40 and 60 for the tent sites. But I'll tell you what, I think it's going to be really worth it. And like I said, we had a nice chat with the owner. Now, brand new everything, 2 miles from town, which has everything that you would need, from grocery stores to gas to old-time saloons. It's a great western town, Big Timber is. You know, I would generally would give this one a 10, but because they're still building it, I can't do that. So this one goes under no rating. But I'll tell you quietly, it's a 10, but I can't tell you that. Anyways, this is Denusa with undiscovered and unbuilt campgrounds of the American West. Thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.